What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I actually have a question for y'all. Questions from my Fitted Squad and people tuning in general. How do you guys feel about the F80, the M3? Definitely let me know what you guys think. I personally have been, I've liked them for a while. Never really had the desire to own one, mostly because of the price, and I ain't really think too much into it. But looking at it now, I've seen quite a few that I can actually afford, and I've got a few homies that have some, and they definitely been catching my eye a lot more lately. Definitely let me know what you guys think. So I know most of the homies and people subscribed and everything. A lot of you guys are Nissan and Infiniti enthusiasts. Quite a few Altima enthusiasts, but I know a lot of people, they have different cars that they like and appreciate, and I'm curious, how do you guys feel? Sorry about all this. How do you guys feel about BMW? I know they get a lot of hate and memes, but I mean, of course, the Altima's getting a lot of that right now too. A lot more harsh with the Altimas, but in general, let me know what you guys think. I got a few homies who are local too, who have M3s, and they definitely have some pretty dope setups. And I do plan on linking up with them here soon, even if I don't get a BMW. I do want to link up with them. I definitely want to do some collabs. So let me know what you guys think. I've been trying to make it out to BMW night at Ace Cafe, but after it was the last couple turnouts, I haven't really been as motivated to go. But I did see some footage from one of the more recent ones, and it was way better than Nissan night was. Not saying that that's influencing my decision or anything like that, but it'd be cool just to kind of branch out a little bit, get a few more eyes on the channel and everything. Let me know what you guys are really thinking. Alright, so let me kind of get away from these machines real quick. It's a bit loud in the background, sorry about that. But in terms of what I'm asking for, it's not really so much of me just getting it, but how would you guys feel about having more diverse content? Having BMWs show up and possibly having other brands show up. And I don't mean just like, oh, here go one, here go two, but I mean like me going to events focused on other brands, like going to BMW night or Porsche night or different things of that nature. Would you guys be interested in seeing that kind of content? I've actually had a few people hit me up that they're here for the Altima, so definitely let me know. And that G is clean. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys are thinking on that front. Alright, but I am not 100% sure if I'm gonna jump into another community right away. What I'm actually thinking is gonna happen, I'm gonna get the Z first, and then I'm going to get a project car in another community, something to kind of bridge the gap there. And not 100% sure which route I'm going just yet, so definitely feedback in the comment section below what you guys are interested in and want to see. Could definitely help guide me in that direction, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get the Z anyway. But when I did see, just been looking up a bunch of F80 videos, and I saw the homie F80 Ho on YouTube and Instagram, and found out he's in the Central Florida area. And I checked out his Ace Cafe video, and the turnout was great. It looks like a pretty good community, and I loved how he knew everybody's cars as he was going through, and he was saying them on the video and everything. It was a pretty packed event. I did find out that they haven't been doing a lot of events lately, so it was kind of like, they're like, oh, we can finally do something together. But still, I mean, that's not horrible. That's good that y'all can come together like that. So, but I do want to experience other communities and find out and learn more about other cars, because the world is definitely bigger than Nissan and Infiniti. But definitely planning on doing a few of those events coming And that goes out to... And if you're interested in being selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. And who knows, you might be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like,